I don't normally do unboxing videos, but what could be in this box? It's gigantic. It's next to a bicycle. Alright, let's see what we got. Wow, he actually did pretty good packing. What is that? Oh no, what did I do? You know what I did. 700 Goblin, Kyle Stacy Edition tri-blade. 3 blades in the rear and 3 blades at the main. BK servos. And these are actually carbon fiber instead of fiberglass. Alright, what else we got in here? There better be more stuff in here. And we got the girth of it. Oh my goodness, that's actually really heavy. Holy crap. Tri-blade SAB. Again, BK servos up here. Giant friggin' Scorpion motor. It's a hobby wing ESC. I can't tell what amp it is. It looks gigantic. Nice beefy metal drivetrain. Let's dive back in again. Starting to uncover a little bit more. Oh, that's cool. This was not listed in the ad. Well, these were on it in the ad, but he's actually got these on it right now. So kind of cool. And they look to not have a single crack in either one of them. So I guess he included 2 sets of landing skids. A gigantic canopy. Holy crap. And he did not say that this was included. Freaking cool, man. This is a Canomod. These are 120 bucks. Shit. That's side by side with my head. They are huge. Alright, what else do we got? Jeez, there's a lot of packing here. He did a really good job on packing this. Wow. That is a gigantic blade holder. Of course, I have some more 3D printed parts going, because why wouldn't I? Apparently that machine's just going to be running 24/7 nowadays. Look at the size comparison of the blade grip holder, even to a 600. It makes the 600 look tiny. Wow. There's the blade grip holder, just resting on the 600's head. Alright, what else do we got? Holy crap. We have 3 gigantic 700 blades. Well, being that it's a tri-blade, I assume they're not 700 millimeter. They look to be in perfect shape. I don't see a single scratch on them. Obviously some dead bugs. Let's see what they'll look like on there. All right, going clockwise with the leading edge of the blade. Oh man, that's gonna look sick. Oh, well, maybe there's more than that. So here's 1 battery tray included. It looks like I can probably map this out and 3D print this. Well, I found 2 of the tail blades. I had to dig deep on that one, but it was in there. I'm definitely going to give a really good review to this gentleman. But with tax, shipping, everything, I'm into it for $1,100. Alright guys, well, this is the unboxing video. I will do a video of the build and all the tuning and tweaking. But for now, have a good one.